Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rashida from my channel HAIRSTYLE. Friends, today in this video I again came with a product review. So today I'm going to review a beauty product. So guys, the product name is Bio Oil, Natural Oil. So I'm gonna review this product today. So friends, if you are interested in this video, you can proceed further, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe me. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So friends, in this video I'm gonna tell how you can use this product. It's whether what to buy or not, and later on I'm gonna tell my experience of usage of this product. I think friends, you know the bio oil, it's a famous product for which is specialist for scars and stretch marks. So guys, you'll get with the two different flavors, and this is natural. So this is quite costly than the another one. This is in a yellow bottle, whereas other in orange. For this of 60 ml, I got this for 180 rands in South Africa. So let me unbox this. Let me open. And here's the oil. I already used this, and later on I'm reviewing this. So guys, coming to the benefits, here only it's written it helps for the scars, helps improve the appearance of both old and new scars, and also it helps in the stretch marks. Here it has been given as helps reduce the possibility of stretch marks forming during the pregnancy. I am especially using this for my pregnancy. I don't have stretch marks, but definitely have itching on my tummy, so I daily use this. Once I done with my shower, I apply all over my tummy. If you have any existing stretch marks, like if your weight is more, if you gained your weight, then there will be a stretch marks in the bump or in stomach area also, then it helps to improve the old stretch marks, and also it helps for not upcoming new stretch marks also. Especially this bio oil is used by most of the pregnant women, where their experience is that it will reduce the possibility of the stretch marks. So as I told you before, I don't have stretch marks, but I'm applying this to reduce itchiness of growing stomach. So I'm using for that. And later it's also given as uneven skin tone, helps to improve the appearance of uneven skin tone, both light and dark skin type. If you have uneven skin tone, light or dark, it definitely helps for that. And it helps in aging and dehydrated skin, helps smooth and tone aging and wrinkled skin. If you have wrinkled skin in your hands or legs, you can apply there for both the face and body, and helps to retain moisture. So if you have a wrinkled skin on your face or in your hands, you can apply this. It helps to reduce the wrinkled skin by giving moisturizing to your skin. This is 100% natural, and here in the box it is mentioned as you can apply this twice a day. Once you take the shower, you can apply this, and once you are going to the bed, before that you can apply all over the places where it is affected. So you can apply twice a day. And for the pregnant women, you can apply this once in your first trimester. In your first month you can start applying this, and later on you can apply till once your delivery is done. But I started applying this in my 7th month. I am in my 7th month, and I'm started applying this like after 6.5 months to 7th month. So let me apply on my skin and show you. You can apply this on your face also, but I generally use this for applying on my stomach. So I'm gonna put a little drops, and it's a oil, definitely it will be sticky, so I'm applying all over here. It blends really well, but it is not too much sticky as like a castor oil. It is not that much sticky, but it's good. But yeah, obviously it's a oil, it should have a slight stickiness. So Coming to the fragrance is like natural kind and natural ingredients kind, and it is mild, it is not harsh, it is very mild and it is good too. This is of 60 ml guys, you'll get bigger one also. I just want to try with the smaller one. This one is natural, so I want to try with this flavor and also next with a different one, so I just bought with the 60 ml. So guys, coming to my experience, so I bought this and I am applying on daily basis. For me, I was having a dry skin, and especially here in South Africa, it's winter now and you'll feel definitely itchy or dry skin, so I gonna apply all over my tummy, and I felt definitely it gives me a moisturized skin, but I did not find my itchiness is stopped. I don't know, because due to the growing uterus, I don't know, the growing stomach, maybe I feel itchiness more, but itchiness is not that much reduced, but I'm applying daily basis. For me, itchiness is reduced when I use Epimax cream. It's an ultra dry skin product. I was using Epimax. I'm applying Epimax all over my tummy. Then the itchiness is somewhat reduced, but this does not reduce my itchiness. But definitely there is no stretch marks. I don't want stretch marks, so I'm applying on my daily basis to prevent upcoming stretch marks. So apart from that, the fragrance is good, everything is fine, it's not too much sticky. So guys, whether it's worth to buy or not, if you have scars or if you have any wrinkles, if you don't want any upcoming stretch marks, then definitely you can try this product. And I don't suggest for the itchiness, because you can try even ultra dry skin products which makes your skin itchy, so you can try that. But from my thing of itchiness is not reduced. I suggest if you are applying this to your face for the first time, please do a patch test, because all skin product doesn't suit for everyone, so definitely do a patch test. And if there is any itching or if there is any pimples or reddish marks, then definitely stop using this product. This product is very famous and all the pregnant women will use this for stretch marks, and this product is also available in India. So guys, if you first, I suggest try with the smaller ml, and if it is suitable then try with the larger ml. So guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. You can buy on Amazon or you can buy on local stores also. So guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions also, definitely let me know. I'm super fast at replying all of your comments. And that's for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe guys. Thank you so much.